Filming?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going now. So I'm riding a bike for the first time. Where am I going?
We're going somewhere. Get lost.
Okay, so
Can mommy bike? Okay, bye-bye. Hello. It is. Hey Toby, how are you?
coconut juice. Loving it. And as always, when he finds something he likes, he just drinks and drinks and drinks until it's all gone in case we take it away from him. Hey Tobe, what do you got there? Hey, coconut juice. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at the look on the face. Would you whoop a daisy? And still loses his balance but does not lose the straw. And this is our holiday, and there's a monk. Ooh, there's a monk. Not meant to film him. Oops. You can't quite see, but it's just absolutely bloody fabulous in here. Loving it. There's my two spunky men. Okay. Bye.
Yes. Hey Tobe. Here is Jody and Toby just finishing our bike tour. We've got sore legs and sore bum. Yeah, that's a bum that's sore, as you can see. Hello Toby. Did you enjoy it?
Fish?
Yeah, I'd like to go fish.
No.
Yeah. Okay. You're over it. Okay. Alright. See
Let's
you.
not have
Bye
an
bye.
injury right now.